Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world, and you are safe and secure. As I promised you in my last video that the upcoming video is regarding how we can select a unique channel name and channel logo. This particular website which I am going to discuss here with you is not just for only YouTube, but if you are working on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, if you are a blogger, or if you have your own website, or you are going to design a new business setup, so for all particular platforms, how you can select unique name for your brand and unique channel logo. So for this purpose the particular video is all about. So before going to start the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon, so you will get latest video notification first of all. So let's start. Here in Google search you come, and here you write Namelix. So here you type Namelix. Next here you open the first. I will also give the link of this website in the description of the video as well. So here you can select the first, open the first link. This is the overview of this website. So in search bar here, business name generator, generate a short brandable business name using artificial intelligence. So here you will enter your keyword. Now the keyword, if your channel is regarding news activities, so you here type the keyword news. If your channel is about health, so health tips, fitness, so here you can type health or fitness. If your channel is regarding technology, so here you write the technology. If your channel is regarding online earning, so here you can write online earning. Anything, if your channel is about cooking, vlogging, unboxing, or any idea on which you are working. So for example, just for example, for understanding purpose, here I type a channel name. For example, my videos are related with YouTube, so here I type YouTube. So let's see what is going to be open. Here name style, these are the different points, but you just select the auto option. Okay, next you select low. Next brand info, so here YouTube, here no need to write anything, just click on generate option. So wait for a few seconds. Here the different names are in front of us. So for example, this is PlayTube, this is WideZ, WidShare, WidZoo. So here you can see lot of names are in front of us with the name of YouTube, similar names, but these are here tube technician. So for example, I open this one. So there are multiple channel ideas name. So next here there is option of login. So from your Gmail account you can log into this website as well. Next here you click on the ideas option. Okay, and when you click on the idea option, so here different color, you can choose the color which is more attractive for you. Okay, next this is option of font size. So here you can adjust your font size as well. Next there is option of icon, which is most important. So here different icons are in front of me. Icon mean logo. So here for example I choose this one. So here this is you can take a screenshot of this and then you can utilize this one. So basically in this way you can select your unique channel name and channel logo. So that's all about in today's video. Hopefully it's helpful for you. See you soon in some next video. Take very good care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.